measure? What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city, she never sleeps. My city, she never weeps. My city, she keeps me alive.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Victoria. So in today's video, I have a super exciting video. I'm partnering with Rimmel London to bring you this bomb makeup look. Alright, so the star of the show and the thing I'm so excited to share with you, like I actually, when they told me, I nearly freaked out. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So we had the Stay Matte collection, right? We're all about like the matte liquid lipsticks, that full vibe, and then I was always like, but I'm gonna put a gloss on top. That's my vibe. So now, do you see my lips? Do we see the color, the pigment, the gorgeousness? So we are now, ready for this? We are now doing the Stay Satin collection. Oh my god. So they're now launching 14 new shades to the liquid lipstick collection, all with a satin finish. I'm beyond excited. I love the way my lips look. Like they have just, it's not glossy, it's not matte, it's just a beautiful satin finish, like duh. But it's so exciting to me. I don't like matte liquid lipsticks alone. I love putting gloss. I love the longevity of them. But now we can have the longevity mixed with the comfortability. Like it feels like you're wearing a lipstick. It really does. And then a glossy finish. Like I'm just like, yo, sign me up. Another really cool thing about this collection is it's actually 80s theme, which like, let's be real. Everyone loves the 80s. More is more. We get to do color, we get to do everything, hence why this look is like a little bit more dramatic than like say maybe your everyday makeup. But it's awesome. It's super rad. Now speaking of super rad, oh my god, what a segue. They have awesome names. I needed to share these. So we have the shade Rad. Oh my god, I actually didn't even plan that. I like pulled that one. Like I have them all sitting here and I legit pulled that. That's amazing. We've got It Girl. We've got Radical. Take a Chill Pill. Glam Rock. There's a shade called Yuppie in here, and I think I like literally like nearly died when I read that. I thought it was so funny. I've got the shade Psych. This one's really cool. Like this has my name written all over it. But anyway, I know I'm rambling again. Of course I am. But if you'd like to see how we get this look with all of these fun new products, then please just keep on watching. The first product I want to tell you guys about that I'm super excited about is the Magnifies eyeshadow palette. But okay, so we loved the Spice Edition. Like you guys saw, my mind was blown with the pigment. It was just like, whoa. Well, now this is the Crimson Edition. So this is all your pinks, your reds, basically like pomegranate colors. It's gorgeous. This is what we're going to be using for our eyes today. I'm so excited just to go like super like monochromatic. You guys know that's my vibe. So let's get started. Enough of me rambling. So the first thing we're going to do is go into this little kind of mid-tone like taupey mauve shade. It looks great, right? We're going to grab some on a big fluffy brush, swish around like so, and rock that in our transition area. Next, we're going to take the same brush and we're going to go into these little pinky pomegranate shades. I'm just going to take both of them because you know we have a palette, so we might as well just use all the shades because why not? So we'll take that on the same brush, and this is just going to amp up our color, and we're going to have a little bit more of a statement. So if you're ready to be bold, let's do it. I always find it's helpful just to kind of put like your subtle color on first, and then when you want to like amp it up, you have a little bit of a guideline, so you're not going in with like straight like neon pink and you're like, oh no, like where do we go from here? So it's like those subtle like build-ups that really can help you with creating a really dimensional look. We have our hot pink vibes going on. We're loving it. So we're gonna now, instead of taking this like hot pink with this color, gonna just take this guy and, you know, maybe just his next door neighbor, you know, let's just get a little bit of depth, and I'm just gonna take that on a little brush and we're gonna kind of create that outer V shade. So just kind of press it on like you would be doing like your winged eyeliner. You're just gonna create that outer V. This is just such a simple shape that like is flattering for all eye shapes, for like all, you know, looks. It just works. So it's just such a simple technique, but it really just creates a great eye look. So it's like 1, 2. And then you already know we're going to go in with our original blending brush and just give that a nice little swish around. I don't know what I was going to say. I think I was going to say like swish-a-lish. But like, you know what? With the names of these lips, like why not? Swish-a-lish. And just for fun, I think I'm just going to drag the color a little bit up and out. It is a little bit more 80s, so like, why not? Once we've spent a little bit more time blending, I think what we're going to do is go in with this light shimmery shade right here and just apply that to our brow bone. It's also just going to kind of like soften all of our crazy blending and just kind of bring the look a little bit back down to earth. Just a tad. I'm even going to just extend that shimmer out. Like, I hope you guys can see on the light, but just like the way it creates a look. Like, I'm really into it. I think I'm just using the excuse of 80s just to like go all out. I'm like, it's fine, it's the 80s. More is more. I'm gonna take these last two shades. No, we'll go with this guy and this guy. The like second last two, just to get something a little bit deeper for our outer corner. So then we can just build that up a little bit more. And you can even just take that and bring it into the crease. Your brush and give that a nice little blend as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit more to the outer corner, and then what I think I'm going to do is take the original blending brush and I'm going to go in just with that like hot pink, just to like give it a little bit more color and pizzazz. Not like we need more, but you know, it's fine. And just run that along everything. We'll go in to this shimmery guy, and all I'm going to do, I'm not going to apply on the whole lid, I'm just going to apply it like a little bit on the center. A little brush, pick up a little bit of that vanilla pinky shade down at the bottom, or left, right, whatever, it doesn't matter, you know what I mean. And then we'll apply that just to the inner corner. And I'm gonna, I know I've been talking about this lately, but bringing that shadow like here, almost like, so it like rounds out this brow bone. Yeah, and all the light just like goes all the way around. So this guy right here, this like orangey kind of, like, it's a little bit orangey cranberry. Just take a little bit of that, and I think we can use that just to kind of blend the two. And like when you blend with your fingers, all you have to do is like kind of tap on in between, and then it just like naturally blends. I want to bring like that pink tone into the middle, so what I'm going to do is like literally take that hot pink just on the brush, like tap it ever so slightly, just so it's going to like blend with that white. Yeah, that did it. Oh my god, yes. So I'm going to go and just take those deepening colors and apply those to the outer corner, because I just want to deepen this a little bit more. Those are kind of the grounding colors, because if you just put shimmer on the eye, it's just like a crap ton of shimmer. But it's like when you have those deeper tones, it just grounds the look. You know, you can still have a differentiation between crease, lid, all that good stuff. So for our lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with the hot pink, because, you know, it's hot pink, it's fun. Apply that. Just gonna keep the lower lash line really soft, because obviously the top's a little intense. So we'll just apply that pink to the lower lash line, kind of sweep it in so we get our nice little wingy shape. And then we'll just deepen it the tiniest bit with that little ready guy. Alright, so I'm gonna go finish off the eyes by, you know, doing mascara, eyeliner, all those finishing of eyes things, and I'll be right back. I love when you do those little final touches that just bring the whole look together, and we brought the whole look together. I love this look. So now we need to kind of like warm up the face a little bit. We have a lot happening on the eyes, and that's actually a reason sometimes why I tend to not do blush right away, or I do like a little bit, because you're always going to add more. So we're going to be using the Maxi Blush, and this one is in Third Base, so I'm going to use that, and we're just going to kind of flush up the cheeks. I don't want it too overpowering, because I know the eyes are a lot, but we do just kind of want to get a nice little flush going on. And just for a little bit more drama, because we need more, I'm just going to apply the blush, like bringing it a little bit under the eyes. It's just going to give like a little flushed look, especially for this time of year. It's kind of just like a cute little thing. Also a little bit more 80s. So we'll just sweep the blush all the way around. You know, we're going to just have a whole moment. Alright, so we have a little bit of flush. We got a little bit warmth to the face. Now it is on to the star of the show. Okay, so as I explained, satin liquid lips, like I literally say this all the time. I'm like, I would love to wear a liquid lipstick, but I need a gloss. I always need a gloss. I can't do the matte hold liquid lipstick thing. I always say this to you guys. But now there's satin liquid lipsticks. That is like my favorite finish. It's just between a gloss. It's like not as sticky as a gloss, but it just has a nice sheen. It has a nice look. It looks like a lipstick, but then you get that longevity, which is amazing. So, like I said, we have 14 shades. Now, we've done this look. They all pretty much would go with this look, depending on how like tacky, cute, pretty vibe you want. Oh, I kind of had a thought. Like, you know when you're trying on outfits and you're like, what outfit should I wear? We're going to do the same with the lips. Alright guys, so let's have some fun. Let's get trying some things on and let's get some glam going on.
I've been loving everything you are. Your eyes alone are the brightest stars. I could stand you all night, just drinking in your sunlight.
Alright guys, so we're back. We have our choice. Now we are going to be using the shade Have a Cow. I just wanted to kind of go with the more drama. I was like, more drama. We've got pink in the cheeks, pink in the eyes. So we're going to do this nice berry tone that's going to pick up the depth in the eyes. So excited about this. So what's so great about these is I've been playing around with them this week. And like, there's so much bloody pigment in one little swipe. So I'm just, where's my mirror? Okay, let's get up close and personal. So you're going to watch and do this with me. So there's one swipe. And look, oh my god, look at that shine. Like, look how luxe that shine is. You don't even need lip liner because these are honestly just so bloody pigmented. So I would like to remind you, we have yet to dip back into the tube. This is all one swipe of pigment. And it doesn't dry down all like gross and like dry and powdery. It like stays, like it dries, but it still stays like you rub your lips together and it feels almost like you're just wearing like a standard like lipstick. All right, enough talking. I'm gonna finish this lip and I'll be back. I'll be back. Damn, son, this looks good. I am living my monochromatic fantasy right now. Like, girl. All right, I'm gonna let this dry down and I will come back to reveal the final look. All right guys, so we are back and this is our final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed the look, enjoyed the vibe. I'm so into the vibe. All I need now is like a scrunchie and a denim jacket and I'm like ready for the 80s. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to Rimmel London for partnering with me for this video and like getting to share all these like bomb products with you because like, oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button. We like to hang out, we like to play makeup, we like to just have fun and have a good time. So if you're about that life, then please, we'd love to have you join us, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!